March is Red Cross Month, and for the first time ever, the Red Cross has declared a national blood crisis. Local 22's Courtney Kramer shows us the impact of the current shortage on hospitals in Vermont.
Every 2 seconds, someone in the U.S. needs blood. That hasn't changed and likely won't, but donations and the supply of blood on hand certainly has.
This is the worst blood shortage the Red Cross has faced in more than a decade.
Kevin Mazuzin leads Vermont's chapter. He says the Omicron variant, winter weather, and staffing shortages have all fueled the current crisis. And while it's ideal to have a 5 to 7 day supply on deck, recently the Red Cross has had less than 1 day's worth of blood in the bank.
The Red Cross has been forced to limit blood product distributions to hospitals as a result of what is now a national blood crisis.
And we've been able to come up with some pretty creative ways to make sure that we have enough blood for our patients given the current crisis.
Dr. Sarah Harm is the medical director for the blood bank at the University of Vermont Medical Center. She oversees blood transfusion practices and the prioritization of blood.
We don't necessarily have the buffer of blood inventory that we are used to having. So typically we aim to have a certain number of days of inventory on hand for our typical blood use at this hospital. And so we're learning how to treat our patients, transfuse our patients, with a much lower inventory than what we had in the past.
Doctors say that adequate supply is crucial because blood is used for a wide range of treatments, including for cancer patients and trauma. And someday, it could be your loved one who needs a transfusion.
Any patient could need this. This isn't a rare occurrence that we need to give blood. It could easily happen to any one of us, that we could be involved in an accident, on the road or skiing, or we could have some type of anemia or some other cause of blood loss and we could need blood.
You can help ensure there's blood by rolling up your sleeve to donate. And each time you donate, you can save up to 3 lives. Courtney Kramer, Local 22, Local 44 News.
The American